Hello, hello, hello. How's your riding? How your horse riding?
Horse.
What you feel?
Good.
Very good. You are happy?
Yeah.
You are very excited? You didn't pull down?
Yeah. I should pull down.
Okay. Very good, very good. So what's that? This one is the old stuff of Sisi. Who give this one for you?
Amo.
Amo who? Gagol?
Yeah, Gago.
Amo Gagol. Say thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, Amo Gagol. Say thank you, Amo Gagol.
Thank you, Amo Gago.
Oh, yay. Welcome, welcome. Hey, oh, I didn't make, what's that, your face good. Maybe because you know already that hindi, no. Enough na. No, here only at the back. I make pa. Uy, yela, wow. May I see what's that, may I see just a minute kasi. Later na. Wow, very nice.
But there's the picture, something open, like that one is. That one is open, but I don't know how.
Later yung mama. Because your mama, she know about the ice cream.
Sticker.
There is plastic pa yan. You need to remove pa yata the plastic. Ayan, no. Not no, di ba I told you, you must to throw first all day. What's that? Ayan na siya, ayan na. Pull down na siya. Wala na. Pull down na siya. Haha, make a tate. Thank you very much. Thank you, Gagal. Thank you for the all hadiah given our presents to Sisi. Thank you very much. What that one? Small.
This one for the shower.
For the shower? Oh, very nice. And this one also your bags, huh? Very nice.
There's
manicure and pedicure.
And that one I have the unicorn.
You have also the big one. Ariela, return na later na yan, later. Later na yan kasi all this one pa is, what's that? There you go. Okay. At the back, this one, I have already the, what's that, but when I make video kasi, there is no Sisi. Okay, so now, with Sisi na, because she arrived already for the summer school, and their activities now is riding horse. Okay, very nice. Okay, yalla. And now also I must to say thank you. Next time some of them that you are watching or your views is 86. I wish you don't forget also to subscribe. Diba? But say thank you. Even you make subscribe me one, total chat is 60. So I have new subscribers. I wish next time if I make my live, kindly subscribe naman, even one. Some of them that they are making message chat, but they don't chat, but they don't subscribe. I don't know if they subscribe also. What you are doing? Where are you? In the kitchen? Okay. So once again, thank you very much kasi she want cornflakes na raw. Okay. Yela. And I say bye. Bye to all of us. Thank you. Thank you again. Thank you. Thank you to all subscriber, not subscriber, viewers, not viewers, supporters, not supporters, nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries. that we are not in the same time and belong in the different countries and different language, different people that we are. So thank you so much talaga. YouTube company, YouTube all staff and workers, thank you for your effort that you are helping to all the small beginner. And good luck to all in the standard and in the higher already in the YouTube mga vloggers. So, and good luck and wish you more blessings. Not only mga vloggers, mga higher standard or mga small vlogger, kung baga all people in this what's that? Universe. Okay, that we are still living in this earth. Thank you so much. Thank you very much talaga. And Lord, thank you very much. And to all also, some of them that belong in the another social media, but mostly some of them is in the social media already. Maybe mga percent also is not the one that they are the viewers. Okay, so thank you. And to you, my all families, both side of my nanay and tatay, for my hometown, all of them, it's already in the, including in the different social media that they have already their account. Okay, so thank you very much. Happy Fiesta to all Christian countries that they are celebrating the Fiesta and the graduation from nursery to university, and congrats with parents, and then to the alumni, the mga grand reunion and the fellowship. So God will be provide and protect everything what we are, what we will be needs in our life, in our daily routine and in our work, or you are working or not working. Basta all of us na ingat ka, Brad. So to my nieces, congratulations to both of you. And to all apo-apo sa tuhod o apo sa talampakan, mga angkan to angkan na talaga, all of them na mga co-workers, mga co-friends, mga co-employer, and to my employer here, with my madam and sir, with the family of madam and with the family of sir, with their friends. Thank you for the support, and thank you that you are sharing to me the blessings that you have and you are giving also to me. Thank you. And happy June, happy birthday, happy celebrating the birthday of the month of June. And to my all inaanak, Jai, happy birthday. Wish everything will be okay and good luck for your future someday and somehow. And to all of us that we are still living in this earth, I'm always repeating of my message in every viewers, in all most of my videos, short and regular, and that is the way vice versa, that I can support also to you, and with God knows everything. Thank you YouTube. Bye. Thank you to all of us. And good luck! Happy Sunday! Keep safe lagi! Okay? Yela, bye. It's 9. It's become 10 na pala to. It's become